Welcome to ReviewRounder Tech YouTube channel. To get regular updates of our videos, kindly subscribe and tap the bell.
What if you could now capture the bigger picture from any angle, allowing your creativity to soar to new heights, unleashing the true potential of possibility? Stunning aerial images, video and panoramics delivered directly to your smartphone. What if all this was possible from a device that fits in the palm of your hand? Introducing ZANO.
Infrared obstacle avoidance systems, GPS sensor, microphone and speaker. It's a lot of technology to put in a very small package. On top of all of that, the onboard microcontroller has all the data fusing and correction algorithms as well as FIR and IIR filters to actually make that information worthwhile. It allows us to make ZANO just
The future of ZANO is in your hands.
Made it out the door, here I am again.